These are going to go into your math journal. So put them in your math journal, right? The first one says, Zemia said, I have a 5-digit number with all even digits. So you have to look at those numbers on the bottom and try to figure out what number she had. I'm going to give you 1 minute to try and figure it out the first one, okay? Let's see who can do it. Write it down in your journal. Right? Okay, one more try. Is it Michelle?
Yes.
Okay, Michelle.
46,286.
Good job, Michelle. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys something. Do y'all know what an Oreo clap is? Okay, when you do a good job, we're going to practice the Oreo clap real quick. Don't really lick your hand, okay? But you're going to go like this. Okay, so when we do a good job, we're going to do Oreo claps today, okay? Ready? So Michelle did a great job, so let's give her an Oreo clap. Ready? Good job. Okay. Okay, these are 2 questions I want you guys to think about. We're not going to answer them right now. We're going to answer them after we do our other activities. And but just think about this, okay? So essential questions. How can you use grouping in everyday life? And how do you use place value to put numbers in order? Why do we need to know that? Is that something important we need to know?
Yes.
Okay, think about it, because I want you guys to come up with a really good answer. Okay, since today our topic is math and numbers, we're going to read a book today, and it's called Math Attack. Has anybody read this book before?
No.
Math Attack. It might be an AR book. I haven't checked, so pay extra attention so that way you can
check.
write about it. Okay? I mean, take your test about it. Okay? This is actually a pretty good book. It is written by Joan Horton, and the pictures are by Kristen Booker. Rooker. Ready? Math Attack. Says, it was Monday at school, and our teacher, Miss Glass, announced, now it's time for arithmetic class. Can somebody tell me what's 7 times 10? She was looking at me when she said it again. We're going to use today, let's see if you guys can figure it out. I think you can. Let's see if we can figure it out. It is, I'll write it right up here, 6,924. 6,924. And we got to write that in a pictorial representation. 6,924. Does somebody want to come up here and try to write it in a pictorial representation? Anybody want to try it out? Okay, Rob, come on, Rob.
Me?
I mean, sorry. Not
Jaden.
Jaden, sorry, part. Come try it.
Can we make some more?
There we go. A pictorial representation. Remember, you're not going to use in your book, okay? Each page in your book is something different. So, for example, I'm going to borrow this real quick, sweetheart. On the first one, right here on the first page, you're going to do your pictorial. You get to pick any number you want, but it has to be a 4-digit number, okay?
I was about to say, can I do me?
4-digit number right here on the front is your pictorial. Then you flip the page. What do you think goes underneath it? Standard form. Very good. And then what do you think goes next? Word form. Okay, so I'm going to give you, let's say, 10 minutes to figure out your 4-digit number. And I'm going to be walking around to make sure that you guys are doing a good job, okay? If you need help.
How can you use grouping in everyday life? At school or at work or in home or in homework? And also in a hard math.
Okay, very good. Who can tell me an example of grouping, though? Like, he gave us a great example of using it at home. What's a good example of using grouping at home?
I know one.